This is day 7 of this current trade that I've been holding for, and this is the daily chart right now, and we're starting to get a bit of a pullback now. So we have this daily demand right here, which price can come into. We then got our 30-minute demands here, which I'm happy to take trades off from here. We move to the 30-minute time frame. So that's the daily demand here, and then we got our demand inside of that. Price has been in this consolidation right here for a couple days now, and it's starting to push down. There is a gap here. It's not showing on this chart, but there is a gap right here just before this demand. So I will be looking to take a trade from this demand, definitely, if we come down to it. Yeah, I'm not panicking. I understand that there is going to be a pullback because we do have this breaker structure here. So price is going to pull back into this area to then continue the trend. It might not. It could just keep coming down, but there's no risk on this trade now. It's in break even. So yeah, nothing really I can do. Don't need to be panicking about any pullback right now, because a pullback is going to happen where price is right now because of that breaker structure, like I said. And we have a daily demand as well that it can push down to. So everything still looks good. If anyone else is in this trade, there's no need to panic. Price will pull back and it will come down before it goes up. With these swing trades, you can be holding for a long time. So it's going to be delayed gratification. Like, it's going to be worth holding it to the very end. And if it hits break even, it hits break even. It is what it is. Got to be prepared for holding trades, and possibly they are going to either hit break even, stop loss. But for my back testing, I don't take partial profits. For my trades to maximize profits on my trades, I've got to hold them to the end. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, short daily analysis today. Not much going on. We're just holding until it either hits TP or break even. There also is high impact news today on USD, but it's not a high impact news event that is going to stop me from getting out of this trade or closing early. So that's that.